Hi everyone, this is Lucy. Please join me in my kitchen to make the most delicious and perfect chicken salad sandwich. For this recipe, I'm going to be preparing 1 chicken breast, boneless and skinless, for each serving, sprinkled with a little salt. 3 or 4 minced celery ribs, all depends how big they are and how much you like them. Fresh parsley, fresh green onions, tarragon, and this is dry minced tarragon. This is how it looks in the bottle. One minced shallot. This is the shallot. It's very similar to the onion. If you cannot find shallots, you can always use red onion. Dijon mustard, lemon juice, and mayonnaise. And I'm serving the chicken salad on a Kaiser roll, which is a little sweeter than the regular hamburger bun. So let's start cooking. On the stove in high temperature, I'm going to boil enough water to cover the chicken. I sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of salt, but that's according to how much salt you have already put in the chicken. Just make sure the chicken is completely submerged in the water, and I'm going to let it boil. Then I'm going to turn the stove to medium temperature and let it cook for about 20 minutes. You can turn the chicken after the first 10 minutes on the other side. Cover and let it continue cooking. The chicken should have reached or registered 165 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you cook it for about 20 minutes, for sure the chicken will be completely cooked. I remove the chicken from the pan or pot, and I'm putting it in a wire rack so it can dry and cool. The chicken should cool completely for about half an hour. And you can also place it in the refrigerator to cool. In the meantime, I'm going to mix all of the rest of the ingredients for this recipe, starting with the mayonnaise, adding the celery, the shallot, the green onion, the tarragon, the parsley, and the Dijon mustard. Mix well all of these ingredients and add the lemon juice. You can always taste for salt after you add the lemon juice, and sprinkle some salt and ground black pepper. Then place this mixture in the fridge until it's time to mix it with the chicken. Once the chicken has completely cooled off, we can cut it in little cubes. All depends how big or small you like the bite sizes. It's up to you. Remember, all the steps and ingredients for this recipe are in the description below this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and you want to see more videos such as this one. Once you have cut up all of the chicken, then we mix it with the mayonnaise mixture. We fold the chicken into the mayonnaise, and this mixture you can keep in the refrigerator for up to 2 or 3 days. Then serve it with your favorite bun or over your favorite green salad. Buen provecho! I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click like, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and click on the bell so you can receive a notification every time I release a new video. I hope to see you next time. Please come back to see me again. Bye bye.